Welcome to Cozy Cattery Boarding Resort and Grooming Spa. I'm Susan Cesarini, and this is my feline friend, Dom Perignon. Dom first came to me looking for a great groom. His previous grooming experience was not ideal. If you've never had your cat groomed, you may be wondering if grooming your cat is safe. The truth is, in the right hands, the grooming experience can not only be safe, but even pleasurable for your cat. A common misconception is that cats groom themselves. Grooming eliminates dirt, oil, and dander from your cat's skin and also prevents painful matting and pelting. Having your cat groomed reduces unwanted hair around your house, and you'll be dealing with far fewer of these. A professional groom will improve your cat's overall comfort, health, and appearance. As a certified feline master groomer, the safety of your cat is my top priority. Through my training and experience, I work to make the entire grooming process stress-free and pleasant for your cat. And take steps to make sure your cat's needs are carefully monitored during the entire grooming process. From using cat-appropriate products to employing calming, feline-specific techniques, I've been able to help cats like Dom go from groom-phobic to groom-tastic. Now that you've seen the process and know a little bit about the measures I take to ensure your cat's grooming experience is the safest and best possible, I hope this has helped open your eyes as to the safety and benefits of cat grooming. If you live in the Reno area, I'm happy to discuss your cat grooming needs with you. Say bye, Dom.